Hi dear students, Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, we are going to do workbook and the remaining part of the page number is 27. The topic is grammar and the remaining part of the page number 28. Dash is a circle. Circle is near to a girl, so we will write here this. Can you see dash star close to the moon? So they are talking about a star which is close to the moon. So we will use the word those because this is far away. So now I am going toward the topic of countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are for people, animals, places or things that we can count. An uncountable noun are for things that we cannot count. For example, take the water. Water is uncountable. And this one is mug. This is countable. This one is mobile. Mobile is countable. So here we have to take the correct column in the table of countable and uncountable nouns. These are the columns of noun, countable, uncountable. First of all, we have to understand the statement. In this statement, we have to take the countable and uncountable noun. For example, this one is first pencil. So students, pencil is countable or uncountable? We can count the pencils 1, 2. So these are countable. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kind of pencils. So now we will take here countable. Because pencil is countable, so we will take here in countable. Rain. Is it raining today right now? So is it countable or uncountable? Can you count the drop of the rain? No. So we will take here in uncountable because rain is uncountable. So we will take in the column of uncountable. Now I will take the example of bag. Bag is countable or uncountable? This one is bag. It is countable. If there is 2, 3, 4, there are 4 bags, then we can count those. So this is countable. So we will take here, where is bag? This one, and we will count here. Day. We can count the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and there are 7 days in a week. So it's understood, it's countable. So we will take here in the column of countable.
Next one is mud, and mud is uncountable. We cannot count mud, so we will take here.
Milk. Is it countable or uncountable? If I will use the milk and if I will put it in the cup, then it will uncountable. This is a box of the milk packet. It's countable, but if you will talk about the liquid milk, then it's uncountable. So I will take milk in uncountable column. You can see here. Water. Put the water in the glass, please. You can see here, this water is uncountable. We cannot count it. So the last one, baby. Of course, it's countable. You are a baby and there is also baby at my home. So it's countable. So here students, we have tick in the column according to the given objects in countable column and in uncountable column. So now I am going to show you a few objects of countable and uncountable noun. You can see there a tree and there are leaves. There is also grass. So it's uncountable. Now if we will talk about the window, there is one window. It's countable. Now we will take the example of chairs. These are countable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Countable. So now I will take the example of fan. 1, 2, 3. These are countable. Thank you.